Hi everyone, this is Montserrat Solano. Today I want to show you a little bit about how substances move in and out of cells in a more simplified version so we can understand it a little bit better and a little bit faster. There are two main ways substances move in and out of cells, one of them being physical and the other one being physiological. The difference is that physical is passive, it does not require ATP, and physiological is active, which does require ATP. Now you may ask, what is ATP? ATP is adenosine triphosphate, which is just a complicated way to say energy carrier cells. This is a very simplified, beautiful way to explain the difference between passive transport and active transport. Think of it as a hill, with the hill being the concentration gradient. So when you push a rock from the top of the hill to the bottom of the hill, it doesn't require any energy. It just moves naturally, without any effort. Now, if you take the same rock, the same hill, but this time you move it from the bottom to the way up, it requires a lot of energy, wouldn't it? So that's the difference. Active requires energy. You need to move a rock up a hill. Passive is just natural. You just let it go from the top, it'll float all the way down by itself. So these are our four types of physical processes. Remember, these do not require energy. The first one is diffusion. Think of diffusion as equilibrium. Diffusion distributes the particles equally between the system. Osmosis, think of it as a dilute. It equalizes concentrations in solutions. Then we have assisted diffusion. Assisted diffusion is literally a helper, a little helper. They help the particles move easier through the membrane. And then we have filtration. Filtration is a process that separates either solids or larger particles from smaller particles in our body.
Created using Powtoon.